Hello, I'm Carolina, and today me with my team will be explaining you the impact and the development of our project of the challenge-based learning. We're students of 6th semester and in high school, and we're Alejandro, Homero, Francisco, and me. We're the team Animal Protection.
What is challenge-based learning? Well, challenge-based learning is the obtention of knowledge through overcoming several challenges. This is a different approach of knowledge and helps students to develop abilities regarding problem-solving situations.
To develop our challenge, first of all, we started a big idea that was abuse and violence against animals. After that, we developed an essential question in order to get to know the big idea. Which is the role of animals in our society and community, and how abuse affects the role? After answering this question, we developed a challenge. Reduce the quantity of homeless and lost domestic animals exposed to violence and condemned to sacrifice in pounds.
To learn more about the development of animals and their importance, we conducted a research to learn about their abilities and their role in society, as well as the recent cases of animal abuse. We thought of cases in our community, in the local entity, national issues, and the global perspective of the problem. With this, we obtain information relevant to the construction of solutions.
Of our solution is FICES, that consists in 5 main actions. These actions are F. Facilitation. There are 2 main implications regarding this course of action. First of all, informing people of the different places to which they can take an animal that has been abandoned or that is a street animal. Helping an organization to establish a recollection center in our zone. Yet, this couldn't be made since we had difficulties with human capital. This will involve keeping track of all the animals and a massive announcement campaign in order for people to know where to send the animals. Also, using social media, Twitter, Facebook, and web pages to offer an options where people can put if they found an animal or if they are missing an animal, and we will help them to get the people in touch, and in case the animal doesn't have an owner, they will be sent to the recollection centers. I. Information. Inform people about what they should do if they know about a case of animal abuse or abandon. In order to do this, it is important for people to learn how to recognize signs of animal abuse, such as extremely thin animals, wounds on the body, and animals who cower in fear when they are approached by their owners. A third stage of this course of action is to give advice and facilitate people in legal matters, with the tutoring of an attorney and investigation of laws. Consciousness. This consists in developing a spot that features the mistreatments of animals, but with the example of humans. The objective of the spot is to make people aware of the circumstances to which animals are exposed and to appeal to human sense of pity. Also, invite an organization to our school so that they bring animals to make a sensitive effect on people. As well, this couldn't be made due to the lack of permission. E. Education. Creating awareness from the people to the animal abuse and promoting a good example to society. Educating people regarding the animals and their conditions, their body parts, and how they suffer just as us. This can be made through social media and web pages as well as pamphlets and flyers. Finally, S. Support. That consists in just supporting the different animal protections organizations in their activities and spreading their projects among the community.
As well as we call for support of a specialized association to bring animals to school for sensitive consciousness, but we face the lack of permission of the school and we try to implement the regulation center, but we lack of human capital.
After the evaluation was made, we came to the conclusion that the project did not have the necessary impact in society, as we did not make a physical effect, but we make an intangible effect over society by planting the seed of knowledge and consciousness. If people that we tried to make conscious make a change, then the campaign was a success. But this depends completely on people's reactions to our efforts.
This project was difficult and very demanding because there was a lot of work and it was not easy to produce a measurable effect in society. We think that we had problems with time and with the ability to obtain resources, but we think that this problem told us 2 things. We are capable of making a change in society, and the outside world is changeable yet difficult.